What's going on, everybody? CEO in the making, back with another video. Today we're doing a review on these Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. I've had these for a little while now, and when I purchased them on Amazon, the price was $169. And since then, the price has fluctuated a little bit, so that's something to keep in mind if you're considering getting a pair of these. Of course, I'll put the purchase link in the description of the video. So after you watch the video, if you're interested in grabbing a pair, be sure to check out that link for the most up-to-date prices. If you're new to the channel, I do purchase every product that I review. So if you like this video and want to help support the channel, you can do that by purchasing any products that you're interested in directly through the link provided in the description. Now, let's get into the review. So with these earbuds, you're going to get a very high-end, luxurious experience. Everything from the packaging to the build quality and materials, down to the sound quality is top-notch. Before we get into the contents of the box, let's take a minute to acknowledge the box itself. So you get this nice metallic silver box with some color-changing graphics on the front. The box opens from the bottom like so, and it honestly reminds me of a box that would come with some jewelry like a diamond necklace or something. Just the way it opens up, revealing the contents, combined with the fact that you get a nice soft velvet finish inside the box, keeping everything safe. So in the box you have your user manual along with your extra silicone ear tips in this box at the top, and then you get your USB Type-C charging cable in this box on the left. And then as you can see, you got the charging case with the earbuds inside on the right there. So like I said, the build quality is definitely impressive with these. The charging case is made out of aluminum, making it feel very premium and well built. It's a nice pocketable size and it fits in the hand extremely well. You've got the Mifo logo engraved on the lid, and the lid opens up with a uniquely designed hinge. As you can see, the lid is completely separate from the rest of the case, and it kind of just swings and flips open in somewhat of a dual motion. When you close the lid, the magnet pretty much does the work for you, snapping it back into place. And then on the side is where you plug in your USB-C charging cable. So with these earbuds, you're going to get Bluetooth 5.0 with high quality aptX audio. You get touch sensitive controls on each earbud, an IP67 waterproof rating, as well as dual microphones on each earbud with CVC noise reduction technology for clear phone calls. As far as sound, you're going to get dual balanced armature drivers, which is going to separate your high and low frequencies for a more natural and authentic sound. On a full charge, you're going to get roughly 6 to 7 hours of listening time, and then the charging case has the capacity to charge the earbuds an additional 3 times. They do feature quick charge, so just 10 minutes of charging is going to give you an hour of listening time. So as you can see, the earbuds have somewhat of a short stem design, kind of like the AirPod Pros. The color is very unique, and if I had to give it a name, I would call it metallic eggplant. You've got the Mifo logo on the side, and then you've got a microphone on the top as well as the bottom. These do have mono and stereo mode, so you can listen to both, or if you want to listen to one at a time, you can do that as well. For those of you that are wondering, you're not able to connect them with 2 different devices at the same time. Now let's go ahead and put these on and show you how they look. So putting these on is pretty self-explanatory. As long as you've got the right size ear tips, you shouldn't have any issues with these falling out. You could definitely work out or go for a run with these. You've got your touch controls on each earbud, giving you full control over your listening experience. One tap gives you your volume control, a double tap gives you your play and pause, a triple tap gives you your track controls, and a long press activates your voice assistant. Now let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality. So in terms of the sound quality, I feel like the mids and the highs are the highlights with these earbuds. They're very clean and consistent, giving you a very luxurious type of sound. The bass is solid as well, but the mids and highs definitely steal the show in my opinion. Don't get me wrong, the bass is good and it's actually pretty dynamic. On certain songs, it does a great job of accentuating the deeper bass, and then on other songs, it really brings out the slightly higher, punchier bass. These have a good max volume as well, not too loud and definitely not too soft. Overall, I wouldn't classify these as having my absolute favorite sound quality, but they're definitely up there compared to some of the top earbuds that I've tested. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you an idea of the call quality. All right, so right now I'm talking and recording the audio directly with the Mifo 07 True Wireless Earbuds. Do me a favor and let me know how they sound in the comment section below. So at the price point of $170, I feel like you're paying for the complete experience with these earbuds. So that's going to be everything from the packaging, the premium build quality and materials, as well as the performance specs. If you're the type of person that enjoys a premium, high-performing product, but you like to be a little bit different from the rest of the crowd, then these are something to consider. They are a little bit pricey, but I feel like a part of the value with these comes from the fact that you're going to get an awesome product that the average person won't have or simply won't even know about. So like I said, I'll put the purchase link in the description if you're interested in grabbing a pair of these. But other than that, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all my latest content. As always, I will see you in the next video.